It's very frustrating down under when your spreadsheet dates keep formatting to American style. I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Let's take a look at how to fix this problem. My spreadsheet here has dates, but they're in American format. To change them, I'll go to the number formatting group and I can click on this quick launch arrow to open up the full dialog box. Under date, I can see the different date options, and here's the problem. It's set to USA. Let's change that back to New Zealand. But if this is an ongoing problem, it could be a Windows setting. Let's have a look. Go down to search and type in date. You'll see there's an option for date and time settings. And in here you can see my time zone and my region are set correctly. But if you need to change yours, scroll on down and you can see language and region here. And it may be that you need to update your settings in this section.